Here's some friendly advice on what to do if you've been hacked. It can feel embarrassing to be the victim of a crime, but remember, you're not alone. Nowadays, it's a very common occurrence. My thanks go to Emma McGowan for her information on this topic and the inspiration for this video. Follow the link to read her article. Your family has a plan in case of a fire. You might have one for earthquakes or other natural disasters. You should also have a plan for what you're going to do if you've been hacked. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. It's very likely that you or a loved one will be the victim of a data breach, phishing attack, romance scam, grandparent scam, or one of the many other cybercrimes that we commonly call hacks. According to the FBI's 2021 Internet Crime Report, there were nearly 850,000 filed complaints of hacks in 2021, resulting in a total of nearly $7 billion in losses. In comparison, there were 121,373 robbery incidents in that same year. In the following slides, I'll be presenting a short and sweet emergency plan for what to do if you or a loved one have been hacked. Print it out, pin it next to your computer, place it on the fridge, or bookmark the link to this video so it's handy, and if you're a victim of a cybercrime, you'll know what to do and make the recovery easier. The first thing to do if you've been hacked is to change your passwords. The first move after being a victim of a cybercrime is to change your passwords. Start with the service that was immediately affected, then branch out to other sites, apps, or services where you've used that same password. Follow through and continue to your other accounts and change those passwords as well. One tool that really helps with creating, remembering, and changing secure passwords is a password manager. Make sure you download and start using it as soon as possible. Number 2, enable two-factor authentication. While you're changing passwords, be sure to enable two-factor authentication if it's available. Two-factor authentication requires that you input not only your password, but also another authenticating factor, like a code that's been texted to you, in order to access an account. This adds another layer of security onto your accounts because the cyber criminals who got a hold of your password likely don't have access to your text or email, making it impossible for them to log in again. Number 3, call your bank. When any account has been compromised, it's possible that your bank and other financial institution accounts might be compromised. Contact your bank as soon as possible to let them know what happened and that they should be on the lookout for any suspicious activity. Number 4, tell your friends and family. It can feel embarrassing to be a victim of a crime, but remember, it's very common. Letting your friends and family know what happened to you not only helps them be aware of similar scams, but also alerts them that they need to be on the lookout in case they receive a weird message from you if your email was hacked. Number 5, report the incident to the FTC. It can be difficult to prosecute cybercrimes after they've happened, but letting the Federal Trade Commission know what happened helps them prevent more crimes in the future. You can reach them to report a crime at the following link. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.